Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about one of the most common questions that I got regarding the Creative Fabrica, about how much can you expect to make from Creative Fabrica and everything about the making money online with the Creative Fabrica. I'm gonna be talking about that and I'm gonna be answering that most common question. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, to appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. Soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Subscribe to it. It's 100% free. If you change your mind later on, you can unsubscribe to it, but it's 100% free. So let's dive in with today's video, because today's video I'm going to be talking about that most common question regarding the Creative Fabrica, and also for those of you guys who are new to Creative Fabrica, who have the similar doubt, it will be answered for them as well. So that question was that how much can you expect to make on Creative Fabrica each month? And if you add more products to the Creative Fabrica, is your sales rise up, or what is how much to upload and how much to expect? Like if you're uploading 10 products, how much you can expect to make from Creative Fabrica? If you're uploading more products, how much you can expect to make from the Creative Fabrica? This was the question regarding making money online with the Creative Fabrica. So I'm going to be diving into that question, that comment, and let's do it guys. Now first of all, I want to give you a little bit context that I'm going to be talking in this video are based on my own opinion, my own experience so far with the Creative Fabrica, and what I've been seen working for my own Creative Fabrica shop, because I also have my own Creative Fabrica shop. For those of you guys who don't know, I have made a bunch of the videos regarding the Creative Fabrica. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. If you haven't checked it so far, you can check it out, because in those videos I've been talking a lot about Creative Fabrica, how to get started with that, how to get an approval, and a bunch of the different stuffs in those videos. So I personally sell in the Creative Fabrica, so it is based on my own opinion and my own experience with regarding my own shop. It might vary from person to person or from shop to shop. I don't know much about it because it's just 1 year of my experience on Creative Fabrica, and not many resources are there in the online space regarding this particular question about the Creative Fabrica. Like if you just Google it, you don't see much of the information regarding it because it's a new platform. It started back in 2016 only. Thousands of people are selling on the platform, but still there is not much resources there in the online space. So it's a little bit tricky to talk about this question, because I think I have answered in them in few of the videos. Like I've been talking a lot about their payment section, how it actually works and all, but still people feel like they are confused. They don't know how many products to apply and how much to make. So first of all, I want to talk to you guys that I also personally don't know that how many products you need to upload to make $100 a month from Creative Fabrica. I personally also don't know, because I don't own the Creative Fabrica. I don't work at the Creative Fabrica, so I personally don't know. I am a buyer and seller on Creative Fabrica. I have my own shop, so I'm going to be placing that thing in my contacts. So first of all, let's talk about what are the ways in which you can make money by the Creative Fabrica if you are a seller. There are basically the three stuffs are there, so I'm going to be diving into that deep. What are the three stuffs that can help you make money on the Creative Fabrica? So when you actually go to the Creative Fabrica designer dashboard, when you go to the analytics section, and in that analytics section where you go over to the earnings tab, where you actually request your payment from the Creative Fabrica, on in the wallet section where it's written your how much you have in your wallet and all those, there is a small eye icon on the right hand corner of the Creative Fabrica designer dashboard. And when you just click over to that, you're going to see the three options over there. I'm going to describe that thing over here for those of you guys who don't know what that's really mean. So you can receive earnings in three ways. Okay, just listing items on the platform. Even when the items are not downloaded, you'll receive a small percentage of subscription revenue. So that one thing I really talk about, that you are getting paid for uploading the products onto the Creative Fabrica. I've been really talking about that. But honestly guys, I also don't know regarding how much you need to upload to make $10 a month or $20 a month or $100 a month. I also personally don't know how much products you need to upload. The second thing is single sales. Whenever somebody purchases your items directly, Now, so in single sales, whenever somebody purchases your items directly, so when you are making money by single sales, then you're gonna see in the reporting section of your analytic tabs in designer dashboard, like who buy that product, how much it gets sold, which was that product, and various details regarding that particular purchase. So that is the single sale purchases you see in the reporting section, but you don't see the subscription downloads or just list items listing on the platform money. You don't see that thing. You just see the single sales. Now the third route is the subscription downloads, when a subscriber downloads items. So note that the earnings for subscription are delayed with the 1 month, as the payout is done when a user subscription renews. So these are the 3 basic ways in which you can make money on the Creative Fabrica. Okay guys. Now people often get confused. They were asking me, okay, these 3 routes were there, so how much I need to upload to actually make this much amount of money by the first route, by just listing the items on the Creative Fabrica. Now personally guys, I don't know about it, that how many products you need to upload to make $100 by this one route. I really don't know anything about it, because I am not from the Creative Fabrica. I'm an employee at the Creative Fabrica, so I don't know about it. And from my own experience, I have 1,000+ products in my shop. I'm making money, but I don't know which of the product leading me to which sales. And although I only see the single sales in the reporting section, I also don't know about the subscription download, how many people are downloading my products on a monthly basis, on a daily basis. I don't know anything about. I can't give you this particular answer, because I've been getting many times this particular question, how many products you need to upload to make this amount of dollars on the Creative Fabric. I don't know, because I'm making the video based on my own experience and my opinion and my knowledge so far with the Creative Fabrica, as being a seller on the Creative Fabrica in this entire year. I started my shop back in the June of 2020, and so far I've been selling onto the Creative Fabrica. So that's my experience, and based on that only I'm talking in these videos. So I don't know how much you need to upload, how many items you need to list to make dash amount of sales or dash amount of dollars each month on your Creative Fabrica account. But I could tell you guys, you need to upload more to make more money. That's quite obvious, because they're already telling you that you're getting the money by just listing your products on the Creative Fabrica. So why not list more products to make more money onto the Creative Fabrica? I can't give you the exact pricing calculator over here or earnings calculator over here. Like if you upload 100 designs, you're gonna make $1 or you'll make $10. I can't talk about that, because I personally don't know guys, because I've seen such comments many times, and I was like, I don't know what to answer these questions, because I am not an employee in the Creative Fabrica. I can't give you that answer. I'm just a seller, and I'm just talking based on my own experience. That's all. Okay, it would vary from person to person. It would vary from product to product, from shop to shop. How many favorites you have, how many followers you have, what is your frequency of uploading? Are you uploading on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, or are you just uploading once in every 6 months or once in a year? Depending on that, it varies many times, and also depending on what kind of product you're uploading. Are you going with the trending designs? Are you going with the evergreen niches? Are you uploading more products in the holiday? Because on the holiday, obviously the sales rise up, so as does the Creative Fabrica as well. So depending on that, there are so many parameters to answer this particular question guys, and I can't give you 100% that you need to upload this amount of designs to make this much amount of money. But I could tell you, upload more as much as you can to make more money onto the Creative Fabrica. You can do your research onto the Creative Fabrica and see, for example, if you're selling the graphics onto Creative Fabrica, go over to the graphics section and see what is popping up on the very first page or very first few pages onto the graphics, and based on that, see that this particular thing is selling right now. So if I'm also uploading the same thing, I could expect to make more money from that. So you need to do your research. It's the homework. It's not just uploading the random dash amount of design and expecting to get the sales. It doesn't work that way. The same thing is applied for the print on demand, because I see that this particular question time on time related to the print on demand as well, Creative Fabrica as well, Zazzle as well, and also for the KDP as well. People like, how many I need to upload to make dash amount of designs. Now I can't tell you the exact number. The people, all those who are telling you the exact number, it may be true or may not be true. I don't know personally, like what is their research or based on what they are saying and talking about it. I don't know about it. I just only talk about based on my own experience, based on my own decision and own opinion and research. That's all I talk about it, guys. So I would tell you, give it a try at least. Don't overthink too much, because when we get started with something, we think a lot about that, whether it will going to work or not, whether it's going to happen or not, how much I'm gonna make, and dash stuff comes into my mind. I would really tell you guys, I also have this overthinking thought quite a lot many times in my own life personally as well, not just in business, but that only thing that helps me in actually taking a decision and moving forward is just to give it a try without any expectations. Don't put any expectations on a pedestal like I want to make $100 from Creative Fabrica, then I'm going to sell on Creative Fabrica. No, don't do it in this way. Otherwise, you will never going to start with the Creative Fabrica and you will never expect to make money from that. So don't expect something in return before actually starting with that. I know that it would be counterintuitive. We start a business to make money. That's quite obvious. But I would say from my own experience, when I getting started with something new, whatever it's a business or whatever it is, I don't really expect anything in the beginning from that particular stuff because I am new to that particular stuff. I am still learning, I am still adapting. So I am just giving it a try to see whether it fit in my box or not. If it does, then well. If it doesn't, then I just move on with that. That's all. So don't expect too much in the beginning from the Creative Fabric. I would say do a research. What kind of things you want to upload, whether it's a graphics, whether it's a print-on-demand designs, t-shirt designs, or even with the fonts or the machine embroidery, or what kind of items you gonna upload it onto the Creative Fabrica. Just go over there and do a research, like this kind of graphics sell amazingly well, so if I'm uploading similar to it, I could expect to make more. The more you upload, the more you make. But I don't have an earning calculator to tell you that you need to upload X amount of stuffs to make X amount of money. I don't have that pricing calculator, so hopefully you know that I don't know. I can't give you that exact answer to you. But the more you upload, the more you make, and I have thousands plus design on my Creative Fabrica shop, and I'm making $100+ onto the Creative Fabrica each and every month. That's the thing only there. Now, one thing I also want to say to you guys, I can't give you exact number because I don't know about it, and I'm not here to sell you any fake item or buy my XYZ course or buy some $1,000 plus product from my shop and blah 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 blah. I'm not selling you all those items. I'm just saying based on my experience and knowledge to help you guys because I love making these videos. That's what my purpose is. So hopefully I have answered this particular comment and question in my video so far. Do let me know if you have any further comment question related to Creative Fabrica. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer that if I can, as much as I can. But thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.